welcome to my Embroidery 101 series. In today's video we'll be covering the running stitch. So to start off with, just bring your needle up through the back of the fabric at the beginning of the line you want to start. And then pop your needle back down through the fabric just a stitch length away, so either as long or as short as you need, or wherever your guidelines are if you're using a pattern. And then, as you can see, I started off my stitches with a little knot just to keep the thread secure at the back of the hoop. Now bring your needle back up through the fabric, just a stitch length away, so try and keep it as even as possible. And pull through slowly just to avoid any knots. And again, pop it down through the fabric, trying to keep it the same length as your previous stitch. And now you have two even stitches. And just repeat the process, so bring it up, pulling slowly, and then back down again. So just continue this, try and keep your stitches as even as possible. So now for your final stitch, just bring the needle back up through the fabric and back down again, just keeping it nice and even. And then all that's left to do is to finish off the back of your thread. So I do have a full video on how to start and finish your thread, which I'll leave in the description box below for you. But basically just weave your needle through the back of one of the stitches that you've just made. And just pull it all the way through. And then do the same again. But this time, instead of pulling it all the way through, just loop your needle through the loop that you've just made. And then just pull it tight, and then you've created a nice knot, and that should keep your thread nice and secure. And then just grab some scissors, the smaller and sharper the better, and just trim off that excess thread. Like so. So please check out my other tutorials in the playlist below, and I hope that you found this helpful.